nutrition, with the new generation?
Well, I think that the children today are being damaged by the indiscriminate introduction of ultra-processed foods into supermarkets, into shopping trolleys and onto the tables. This is a very defective diet. It causes chronic inflammation, as I've said. It also causes dysbiosis, type 2 malnutrition, and it contains much too much sugar and much too much sodium. Our children are being destroyed by this. Their health is being destroyed. We see so many of them now with chronic conditions, which never used to be the case. 1935, the national survey in the United States found probably between 1 and 2% of children with a chronic condition. Now it's more than 40%. We're poisoning our children. We have to put a stop to this.